back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pack with me. I've been wanting to do this video for such a long time, and I feel like every time I go on a trip, it's like crazy insane right before the trip, and I never get this video filmed, but I'm trying really hard to do it today. I feel very stressed out, to be honest, because I still have so much to do before I go. But I'm trying to get these videos filmed for you guys. But I want to take you guys along on how I pack. I use packing cubes, which I think that those are like my new favorite thing. I'm gonna link everything in my Amazon shop so you can check it out if you are interested in anything that you see in this video as far as packing cubes go. And my suitcase, I believe I got from Target. So I'll try to find something similar, I guess, if you guys are interested in that. But like I said, everything's gonna be in my Amazon shop, which will be linked down below if you guys are interested. But this is just how I pack and what works for me. I find these videos really fun to watch, so I figured it would be fun to film this video. And of course, I'm already packing, so like, why not film it? So yeah, that's what today's video is. Let's jump right into it. Okay, bear with me for the angle. I don't have anybody that can film this for me, so just bear with me. I'm sorry, I apologize. So first things first, this is my suitcase, obviously. But before we get into the suitcase, I'm going to put everything in these packing cubes. So I really like this because it keeps everything organized and it's not like all just kind of thrown in my suitcase. But what I like to do is I like to separate stuff into like categories. This is just how I like to do it. But I will take like all of my shirts that I'm gonna take, put them in my packing cube. And then, let's see, I have this sleeping shirt that I'm also taking. And I think I can fit my pants in here too, because I'm gonna buy some more. Normally I wouldn't like fold them this way. I don't know why I did it this way, but anyway, so I'm gonna put some pants in here, and then like other like gym type shorts. So those are all of my pants that I'm taking on the trip. Like I said, I'm gonna be buying some more while I'm gone. So anyway, all right, so we have that done, and I have all of my shirts in here. I'm gonna put my sports bra in here. All right, and I'm taking this other bra. That's gonna be everything. Oh my goodness. Everything in this bag. This is kind of a hot mess video. Kind of like my day today. All right, so I have all of my clothes packed, and then I'm going to put my underwear and socks in this bag. And that is done. All right, and I almost forgot my bathing suit. So I think I'm gonna try to put my bathing suit in with my clothes, just because it doesn't really need a whole bag. So I'm actually not gonna use this bag. I'm just gonna try to put my bathing suit in here. Boom. Done. I'm done with all of my clothes. Thank goodness. All right, now I'm going to put them in here. And this is what I love about the packing cubes, is I feel like it's all just like organized, you know? All right, so all of my clothes, and then I can put that one right there. I have all of my bathroom things in here, things that I'll need. So I'm gonna put that right there. And then I have my makeup in this bag. So I'm gonna set that there. So now I just need to put my shoes and other little random things in here, and that will be that, I guess. All right, so I'm packing quite a bit of shoes. I'm actually gonna use these to go around in the park. So that's why I'm packing those. And then these, I'm gonna have like if we walk in the morning or whatever, because these are more like exercise shoes. So I'm actually gonna put these here, put these like right there. Have that. This is medicine and stuff that I might need. And then, let's see, in the front here. All right, I'm gonna put my hair dryer right here, but my hair straightener is gonna go in the front. And then I'm also taking my new purple ears. I wanna get a picture in front of the purple wall with my purple ears. So I'm gonna be taking those. I'm gonna figure out how I can like set them in here without squishing them. This looks kind of unorganized, but I swear to you, it's like way more organized than I normally am. Ever since I got those packing cubes, I feel like I have my life put together. All right, now I'm going to put my hair straightener in this little compartment. And then I have a couple books that I'm taking. So I'm gonna put them here, if I can get it unzipped. And put them in here. So in case you were wondering, these are the 2 books I'm bringing. I am taking forever to get through this book. I really like this book. I just haven't made time to sit down and read. So I'm hoping to do that on vacation where it's not as crazy as everyday life. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I'm packing in this suitcase. So I just wanted to apologize for the craziness of this video. I feel like it was not, I don't know, it's just crazy. Today has been crazy. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and next time I do a packing video, I can actually have James help me film it, so it'll be better for you guys. But thank you guys for sticking with me for this pack with me. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below how you pack, if you have any tips or tricks, or like things that are like you must pack sort of situation going on. Let me know that in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. That way you can stick around, you can see all the videos that I put up. I do a lot of lifestyle videos as well as running a small business because I am a sticker shop owner, as well as like planner related videos. I kind of just do a little bit of everything on this channel. So if you guys are interested in seeing more videos from me, definitely click that subscribe button and stick around and join our little YouTube family on here. So yeah, click that subscribe button. It's totally free and you'll get to see my videos pop up in your subscription feed. And if you're like me and you just can't wait for like your favorite YouTubers to upload, make sure you click that bell notification because YouTube will email you right whenever I upload. So that way you won't miss anything in case it doesn't show up in your subscription box for some reason. That does happen from time to time. So definitely click that bell notification if you never want to miss a video, because it's like my favorite feature on YouTube. I have like all of my favorite people on the bell notification, so that way I can be notified when they upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more content like this. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.